Alright, master designers. Grab your pens and let's get sketching. On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw a grotle. Yes! Another one of my favorites! Grotle was one of Ash's best Pokemon before it evolved into Torterra. That was a really fun fight. Well, an actual event of battles. Based on his events, it looks more like a Scootosaurus to me. Alexa, what is Scootosaurus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to wikipedia.org, the generic name is derived from Latin lana, wool and Greek saurus, lizard, and honors Professor Alfred Walter Crompton, nicknamed Fuzz because of his woolly hair.
Alexa, what is Scootosaurus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to wikipedia.org, the generic name is derived from Latin.
You know exactly what it looks like. It's a prehistoric animal.
I see all these kids as I walk to school. Their colorful backpacks so unique and cool. I can't help but wonder which color I'd choose if I still were a kid. Where would I run off to? Oh, hello, hello, hello. How am I looking now that I've grown into an adult? Oh, hello, hello. Do I look like I'm proud of who I finally become? Oh, I know I make mistakes, but I'm trying to get it right, and I'm willing just to wait for the moment I can shine. This anthem is a story of old time. I see all these kids as I walk to school. Their colorful backpacks so unique and cool. I can't help but wonder which color I choose.
Here are the hedges on his back.
Where would I run off to? Oh, hello, hello, hello. How am I looking now that I've grown into an adult? Oh, hello, hello. Do I look like I'm proud of who I finally become? Oh, I know I make mistakes, but I'm trying to get it right, and I'm willing just to wait for the moment I can shine. This anthem is a story of old time.
Here's his feet.
I see all these kids as I walk to school.
Alexa, what is Ankylosaurus?
Ankylosaurus is a genus of armored dinosaur. Its fossils have been found in geological formations dating to the very end of the Cretaceous period, about 68 to 66 million years ago, in western North America, making it among the last of the non-avian dinosaurs. It was named by Barnum Brown in 1908. The only species in the genus is A. magniventris.
Make mistakes, but I'm trying to get it right, and I'm willing just to wait for the moment I can shine. This
That's another thing that grotle looks like. And finished. There we go. That's how you draw grotle. He looks awesome. Anyway, got the pitches all finished up, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel now that I finished drawing grotle. There's more Pokemon out there to draw up, even the ones from the Hisui region. So be prepared for that. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.